Hey everyone, back with another video. This time, we're going to talk about something that Apple has added into their app base. And before I get started, I would like to thank every one of you who have contributed to the channel, and I want to thank each and every one of you who have subscribed to the channel. We have grown it exponentially at the rate of this video and of this channel. So I want to thank each and every one of you. And if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe if you are interested. So what we are talking about today is a new app that Apple has released to the public. And this app is not included in the new, yet to be released iOS 17.4. This app is separately involved. And so it is Apple developed, but it's not included with the software update. And so we'll get into that today. So if we go into sports, Apple Sports, and basically this is what I'm talking about. The new app is Sports. Now, before we had Sports and follow-ups in the News app. If you go here, right? If you go here, there's a sports section, and basically you follow everything involving sports. But if you don't want to really look at the news of sports, but yet want to look at the scores of games that are, upcoming, or just have past, past scores, and just in general live scores, then you are in the right video. Because today we're going to look at the Apple Sports app. This is a new app that Apple developed and released to the public on February 19th. And so let me get out of news. And when you go into sports, right here, right, you're greeted with 3 sections: yesterday, today, and upcoming. Now, of course, you know what these 3 are. So yesterday, I'm just going to explain it to you. Yesterday was all the games from yesterday. Today is basically all the games from today. And upcoming are all the games that are going to happen. So we got quite a few games that are happening on Thursday. So yeah, I mean, it's quite simplistic, which is kind of ironic because Apple likes to make stuff complicated. But yes, they've made this simple app, and so it basically shows all the games that are happening over all the games that are happening for upcoming. And today there's no games happening today, and yesterday there's no games happening yesterday. But let's say if you want to go into NFL or NBA, or, well, it's on NBA, but what if you want to go to another sport? Well, this menu here, right, it says NBA, but if you go into this menu, you have all these options. So, French League One, And MLB, baseball, MLS, men's college basketball, NBA, NHL, NWSL, Premier League, Serie A, WNBA, women's college basketball. These are all the categories that you have the option to basically follow the score. And so this app is basically for the people who are interested in sports. Well, if you are interested in sports and also interested in tech, on another note, if you are interested in tech, please subscribe to the channel, as it will help me and help you stay up to date with the latest tech. But let's get on with the video. So, if you want to watch something like the Lakers, right? NBA, and it's really simplistic. So, on Thursday, February 22nd, the Lakers are going to play the Warriors at 9 a.m. or 9 p.m. Basically giving all the stats and the timings of these games that are going to happen. And the category is basically depending on the sport that you choose. So, if I choose, let's say, MLB. There's no games for MLB today, but of course, upcoming. No games here too. I think MLB season's over, but let's try women's college ball. So, of course, today there's a lot of functionality into this, but I'm not going to cover it in today's video, but I'm going to cover it in my future videos. So, if you are like a sports fan and also love tech, please subscribe to the channel once again. I'm going to sign off right now because I don't have to show you anything more. Just if you are interested in sports, download the app that I specifically said. It's Apple Sports. It's in the App Store. This app is not actually included in the software update 17.4. I don't know why, but they have not included that. But yet, this is available and for free. So go download it right now. I'll put a link in my description if you need that as well. But I'm going to sign off. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.